Engineering economic. 1. Engineering economic concepts. It is an analytical tools economy. Consists of several techniques, mathematical decision analysis to run a business system. Provide support for selection and alternative justification or design operation policy and capital spending. The main objective of training engineering economics is preparing engineers to be able to master two environments, physical and economics, which is a natural application of the discipline existing engineering. The decision-making process in engineering economics occurs because when each investment or project can be done in the more than one way, so there must be an election process. 2. Because SD is always available to invest limited, so not alternatives are workable, however should be chosen the most profitable. There are three different viewpoints in relation to decision-making on engineering economics, in an accountant's point of view and point of view engineering economics as well as engineering manager. The concept of costs in engineering economics. Cost components in the industry. 1. Direct cost, indirect cost, overhead cost. These components can also be divided based on fixed cost, or FC is a fixed cost on depending on the size, production or labor. Variable cost, in the cost that varies depending production rate, workforce size and other parameters. Research and development cost, CR, CRP, CRR, CRA, CRD, CRS, CRT and CM. Production and construction cost, or CP, CPA, CPE, analysis manufacturing, or CPM, CPC, CPK, CPL. The concept of costs in engineering economics. Cost components in the industry. 1. Direct cost, indirect cost, overhead cost. These components can also be divided based on fixed cost, or FC is a fixed cost on depending on the size, production or labor. Variable cost, in the cost that varies depending production rate, workforce size and other parameters. Research and development cost, CR, CRP, CRR, CRA, CRD, CRS, CRT and CM. Production and construction cost, or CP, CPA, CPE, analysis manufacturing, or CPM, CPC, CPK, CPL. The concept of the value of money and time. The current year, the price of an item X Rp. 5 years, the future will be YRP, or value money change down with time, or inflation. 5 years ago, investing money XRP now will come to be X plus I, or interest. RP money XRP at 5 years ago financially equivalent financial value, or equivalence. Debt payment method. Debt can be repaid in a variety of ways according to the agreement between the debtors and debtors. As it's known, the value of money is very affected by time. Thus, the amount interest to be paid in the debts are strongly influenced by the length or time loan. Therefore, it needs to be understood. Understanding of simple interest, or simple interest and compound interest. Depreciation. Depreciation is defined as amount of expenses that must be provided by someone or something, specific companies or units on each period of time to make a reimbursement of machinery, equipment or other facilities after the age of the machine, equipment or of other facilities are exceeded. Type of depreciation: physical, functional, and technology depreciation. Depreciation methods. There are many methods that can be used to determine annual depreciation expense of an asset. Among those methods, two are often used are: 1. The straight line method, 2. The sum of year, 3. The sliding balance methods, 4. Sinking fund, 5. The unit production methods. That is all presentation for my groups. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.